If you want to duplicate a page in Word, or more accurately, copy the content of one page so you can reuse it on another page, this video is going to make that process quick and easy. In just a few simple steps, I'll show you how to do it inside Microsoft Word without wasting time manually rebuilding the layout from scratch. This is really helpful if you're working on a report, form, template, or any document where you need the same content copied over again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Word tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document that contains the page you want to duplicate. Make sure the file is fully loaded and you can see the page you want to copy. If your document has several pages, scroll until you find the exact one you need. At this point, the key is to select everything on that page. You can click and drag to highlight the content manually, or if the page is mostly text, you can use your keyboard and mouse to make selection easier. A simple way to do this is to place your cursor at the beginning of the page content, hold Shift, and then click at the end of the page content. That will help you select the text more efficiently. If your page includes images, tables, or formatting elements, make sure those are included in your selection too. You want the full page content duplicated, not just part of it. Once everything you want is selected, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. You can also right-click the selected content and choose Copy. Now scroll to the place where you want the duplicate page to appear. If you want it on a new page, place your cursor at the end of the document or where you want the duplicate inserted, and then create a new page break if needed. You can do that by pressing Ctrl+Enter on Windows or Command+Enter on Mac. After the new page is ready, paste the copied content using Ctrl+V or Command-V. Word will insert the duplicated page content into the new location. In most cases, the formatting will carry over automatically, including headings, spacing, images, and other layout elements. If the pasted content doesn't look quite right, you can use the paste options that appear after pasting to keep the original formatting. Now, if your goal is to duplicate an entire page exactly as it appears, including spacing and layout, you may need to check the section breaks, page breaks, or any custom formatting around that page. Sometimes Word's layout will shift slightly depending on margins, headers, or footers. If that happens, just adjust the placement a little until it matches the original page more closely. Another useful tip is to save your document before making big changes, especially if you're duplicating pages in a long file. That way, if something gets pasted in the wrong place or formatting changes unexpectedly, you can quickly undo it or go back to the saved version. Using Ctrl+Z will also help if you need to reverse the last action. If you're duplicating the same page more than once, just repeat the copy and paste process wherever you need it. This is a fast way to build repeat sections, reusable templates, or consistent document layouts. Instead of recreating everything manually, you can work much faster by copying the page content and pasting it into new locations. So to recap, open your document, select the page content, copy it, move to the new location, insert a new page if needed, and paste the content. That's the easiest way to duplicate a page in Word. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.